Hello and welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to show you my newest workflow, which is basically called any image into any style. For this workflow, you can basically take any image and change it into any style you want. It's either from the IP adapter or just from like the normal prompting technique. Okay, so before I start prompting and showing you how it works, I will just want to show you how I created this. So first things first, I have like the control mate canny from xinsin. Of course, I showed it in the last video. You can check, which is just amazing. xinsin canny. You just go to install models and just search for xinsin. Okay, here you're gonna see like canny. You just download it. It's 2.5 gigabyte, but you're not gonna regret it. It's just amazing. Okay. And I just did like some gets and sets. And here I have my IP adapter. And here I have my processing group. So basically I have like a Dream Shaper XL. And I have also SDXL prompt styler. For me, SDXL prompt styler is just amazing to change the style of the image, even without the IP adapter. So here we have an IP adapter with like the unified loader, the model, the style, the clip vision. And I just had like a get node for the model instead of just taking a wire, and a get mode for the style image, which will be like this one. Okay. Also here, I had like a switch between if I want to use IP adapter and if I don't want to use IP adapter. If I want to use IP adapter, I just press 2. If I don't want to use IP adapter, I just press 1, select 1. Okay? And sometimes I don't want to use IP adapter because I'll change the style of the image with just like the prompt styler, as I'm gonna show you in a minute. But if I want to use IP adapter, I can come here and choose either to just use one reference image, this one, or I can use two reference images in mix. So I can mix between any images I have. So for example, if I have like an anime style with like a horror style, it's gonna mix. It's really amazing. The IP adapter, I'm gonna make a tutorial soon also about it in detail. And here I have a switch. If you want to use just the one image reference, you choose one, and the two image reference, you just choose two. Okay, so first things first, let's just try with the normal SDXL prompt styler. So here I just didn't add any prompt. I just came here and chose like serialist. Okay, and let's queue prompt. See, it just created like a very surrealistic type of image. Okay, let's for example try steampunk. And let's press Q prompt. It created a steampunkish type of woman, but she is like a metal woman, maybe like old woman wearing steampunk clothes. Perfect. Let's Q front and let's check. Yes, much better now. See, we have a steampunk and it just follows our image perfectly because of like the canny model. Even the hairs and everything, the hair strands, it's just mind-blowing, guys. Okay, I like this image. Okay, let's try a different. Let's, for example, try cyberpunk, biomechanical cyberpunk. An old woman wearing woman cyber medic of make of human. And let's try it. Okay, so it has created this image for us, which looks like a dystopian, futuristic, like cyberpunk image. Let's save this one, and let's try another one. Just cyberpunk. Let's try game cyberpunk. Okay, let's Q prompt. Okay. See, it has created like a game art which looks very, very cool. Okay, I like this one too. Let's save it. Okay. Let's try, for example, something which is more, yeah, psychedelic. Okay, I love this one. And pause, woman, psychedelic forest. Let's cue prompt and check. It has created like a hipster psychedelic type of image, which looks so cool also. Okay, I like this one also. Okay, so that's it for like the prompt styler. So if you want to use IP adapter, you can choose like a style, but it's gonna affect our IP adapter, and I don't want to do that. You can try, it can create some very interesting results, but I'm just going to go to like the base. And here I'm going to choose like the IP adapter. So to use IP adapter in this workflow, you just press 2, okay? And here, I just want to use like the first, just one image. So I'm gonna choose one. And let's check, let's just keep an old woman here, or just let's remove all the prompt, okay? And let's try. So basically this is with IP adapter. Okay, let's check now. I don't know why I have a memory leak here, but let's check. Let's try it. Cancel it. Okay, it's cancelled, but still my VRAM is just too high. I don't know why is this happening. It's memory leak stuff. Let's try to prompt again. Okay, so it has created like from our reference image, this image, which looks so cool. Like let's try here and forward woman graffiti. And let's try, but it already looks cool. Okay, let's try to prompt. And okay, but there was like a color leak, but it looks cool also. Like I like it a lot. Let's try another generation. Oh, it looks so cool. Okay, I like it a lot. Okay, let's try IP adapter, but instead of just having one image, let's have two images. Like it's mixing between the styles of those two images. And let's try with IP adapter here. And let's play with like those ones. Let's have, they are already on average and weak middle. Okay, let's try this one. And let's queue prompt. And let's check the results. It's going to be interesting. So basically when you press 2, you're gonna mix between like this image and this image. So here, 2 to use IP adapter, and here 1 to use one image, and here 2 to have like 2. Oh, it's so cool. So basically it just mixed between like the red eyes here, you know, like the dark mood, and also like the graffiti style and everything. It looks so cool. Okay, let's save this one. I like it. Maybe let's try also changing this to like strong style transfer, for example, and let's check how it's gonna look like. Okay. Nice. So basically it had like the dark colors from like the guy and like the bluish color like from the background. Let's save this also. I like it. And let's, instead of average, let's try concat. Basically average, it averages between the two photos. The concat is like in series type of calculation, but let's try. That is so cool. You can experiment a lot with like those settings here. I'm just gonna leave it like as linear and concat. And also, if you want to add like more images here, you can just add more than two. You can just load image batch, for example, this one. No image make, yeah, make image patch from impact, and you just like keep adding. Wow, what? That's really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here and see you. Please like, subscribe. I'm adding my workflow to like open art and my Patreon also. Please follow me and subscribe. And thank you. Bye bye.